What's up, y'all? How y'all doing, man? We're vibing. We're going to get some parts for the go-kart, hopefully. I need to get a tube, and I need to get a cable so that we can drive it. So that's what we're going to pick up. But I wanted to make a video because we hit 300 subscribers over the weekend, and I just want to say thank everybody for the recent subs. We've had a pretty good influx. I do appreciate it 100%. Yeah, we're still straight piped, but that's all good. It's Sunday, we're vibing. But yeah, I really just wanted to make a video and say thank you. Thank you to everybody that's been around for a long time, and thank you to everybody that's new. Hopefully we can continue to grow. I'm gonna continue to put out content regardless, right? Like, I mean, I've been doing it since like 2010 now, on and off, like hardcore on and off early on, especially when I was in high school and early college. I wasn't really too confident and or keen on the issue or the idea. I thought it was kind of cheesy, but at the end of the day, who cares? You know, we're just out here having fun, doing what we want to do, living our best life. I really love this bike. I'm glad that the content from the bike kind of pushed us into another level. I've pretty much consistently been doing small engine car Pokemon and like several other games pretty much for the last like 2 or 3 years now. It's been a lot of Pokemon Go stuff. I still play. Today was community day. I got some Starlies, I got some shiny Starlies. You know, like I'm still doing things. I just don't really enjoy making that content anymore. I do, however, enjoy doing the go-karts and the bikes and the music. Obviously music, I should have mentioned music initially. I mean, I've been working on music since, I don't know, like 2015 I've been doing music solo. Writing, producing, mixing, mastering, all my own stuff. I don't have anybody write my lyrics. It's all my own stuff. It's all my own flows. You know, stuff like that. I don't know. I like doing everything myself. So I feel like I've progressed to a new level with music. I feel like the content is progressing to a new level. Life is just progressing to a new level, and I'm happy with what I'm doing and where I'm at. I want to continue to make the videos on like the go-kart, the mini bike, the small engine stuff, like doing top speed runs, the different engines, you know, the Predator, and then we got the Ghost Predator engine now to do the videos on, about like that, the top speeds, you know, upgrading all that stuff. And then obviously we got the bike. I want to fit bike videos in once a week if I can. It just depends. Like, it's hard to do a video like either like a vlog, I feel like, unless I have like something to talk about, right? And like a purpose for where I'm driving to. Because other than that, I like to just like cruise on the bike. Like, I have a lot of the footage recorded. I have a plan to make a pretty like long video once we hit 1,000 miles. We're at 742. I've slowed down immensely in my riding. I know I'm at 40 and 6th already. I just going through the gears. I just want to cruise. But you know, I've been busy. Life's been busy. I haven't had time to ride. I haven't had time to do a whole lot of really anything other than like family stuff, work. Yeah, that's it. But I mean, it's all good. I'm not mad about it. I'm happy. You know, like, I'm progressing professionally. I feel like I'm progressing the right way with my content and with music, and I really just want to say thank you to everybody that is here, and I'm gonna continue to make the content that I have been making. I'm about to pull up to the store though, and then we're gonna go down another road that is kind of fun to ride. So I'll be back in a minute. Thank you. All right, let's go. We're on the beautifully new paved road. This road's pretty fun to ride, but we managed to get everything we needed, so that's pretty lit. I'm excited. Hopefully the tube we got will fit in the tire for the go-kart. If not, I'll return it. It is what it is. It's only 10 bucks, but hopefully we can get it running. Hopefully we can get it ripping. That video will be on Wednesday instead of today, because this video came out today. I felt it more appropriate to drop a vlog style video today saying thank you for the 300 subscribers. Go take a little rip on the bike and kind of talk about the future of our content and what I plan on doing moving forward with my life, right? I feel like I've kind of covered that. We're gonna continue to do we're gonna beat the horse today. We're gonna continue to do basically the same content. I think I was saying kind of at the end of the last clips that I want to do a bike video weekly, but I don't know how I'll necessarily make that happen. It'll probably be a mix of every once in a while doing upgrade videos, and then like, alright, 1,000 mile review type of stuff, major milestone 6 months. I want to do a longer video after I hit the 1,000 mile mark, kind of like a movie style video. I don't know why I thought I needed the shift there. I want to drive out to Bay City and back and do like a long video and just kind of chill out there, or maybe even do like a longer drive and go further than that. I don't really know. I want to do something fun. I want to go on like a bike adventure and do some sort of video that way. It's just a matter of figuring out how and when to make that work. And yeah, we're still working on music. That is not going to stop. I will continue to work on music probably until I die. I love music. I actually produced a few beats over the last 2 weeks that are like honestly fire. As it might be just tooting my own horn a little bit, but I really like the beats that I made. The one I did with Eric, and he did the drums, and then the one I was making around just fucking by myself, and then there's some that I've been doing with Robbie. He's been on the channel before in the past. It was a very long time ago, but we're working on music. I still haven't recorded the Pop Punk EP that I've been talking about for months now. Well, at least finished it, I should say. This has been the case. There's like 2 songs that I just don't know if they like fit the vibe, or like I can't fit the vibe that my voice, or like with my voice how in my head I think it should sound. That's the problem with being able to like picture the things in my head as well. Like, I feel like I, in my head, know what I think it should sound like from a perspective of like, oh, this is like popular, people like how this sounds. But at the same time, that kind of kills myself, because it's like, it ends a bit of uniqueness. But it's like, I also know when things sound bad, you know? I feel like, unless I'm just being overly critical, but yeah. I don't know. I love music, man. I'm gonna keep making music. I'm gonna keep riding bikes. I really want another bike. It'd be awesome to have 2. I think it'd be cool to have this, and then like a Ninja, or like a CBR 650. I think it'd be fun to have more variety, because then we can do other videos on other bikes, stuff like that. But I need to obviously have some sort of reason to do so, some sort of monetary gain to be able to afford to do so. Like, I got a good raise at work this year, but that's not enough to justify spending another $10,000 on another bike. This bike was not 10 grand. I should say that. It was close, but it was not 10 grand. I do not like how this fucking feels. This is weird to ride on. I do not like this at all. Oh god, this is weird. This is probably the worst road surface I've ever felt riding. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, dude. Oh god, that was weird. It makes you like swervy. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. Bruh. No way. Obviously I'm still like getting comfortable with the bike. I mean, if I rode a little bit more it'd probably be better, but oh, how'd that sound? That sounded nice, right? Oh man, but yeah, I don't know. There's not really much else to conversate about at this point. Now we're ripping roads that we've been down before. But I really want to get out and go somewhere new. I will be on vacation next week, so I'm trying to get footage, well, not footage, I'm trying to get videos edited and ready for next week. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Next week's all going to be kind of autopilot. The week after that is still up in the air. If I can get 2 weeks of content prepared, I will. I think the hardest part will be the go-kart videos. As far as the bike goes, we should be good. The exhaust piece should be here Thursday this week or Friday. So if that happens, we'll have the video out for this being updated next, not this Wednesday coming, but the Wednesday after that. So like August 3rd or 4th or some shit like that. And then yeah, I'm off that week. Oh well, no, that works out perfect. I'm actually off that week, so I should be able to get more content out that week as well. Yeah, it'll work out. We'll have a bunch of videos, so hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everybody who is already subscribed. I do appreciate you so much. You give me motivation to keep doing it. A couple weeks before I got the bike, I told myself if I don't hit 300 or even like 400 by the end of this year, I don't want to continue to like do content, because I've just been sitting stagnant and like making no progress anywhere. So I do appreciate you more than you know, and I'm gonna keep doing it for y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.